What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Young Finance. I hope today you all are having an amazing and productive day. Today's topic is going to be about real estate investing for beginners. But before we dive in the video, I just want to remind you guys to like, subscribe, share, and comment on this video for more amazing content. Let's get to it. Okay, what is real estate investing? So out of my hours of research, I tried my best to find a simple answer for it. So real estate investing is where you buy a property such as a house or building and rent it for long-term wells to build equity on the property. This method gives you passive income every month and it increases your net worth over time. Our second method is you could buy a property, renovate it, and you could rent it, and after that 6 to 1 year you could flip it for a good profit. This method is good if you want more quick cash to buy more properties and grow your properties. For these methods, I will link all the YouTubers that teach this method, such as Graham Stephan, Grant Cardone, Manny Koshman, and many others, but all link are in the description. Two main requirements for real estate investing is a good credit score and money for down payment. So first off, for a good credit score, you need to be 18 and above, and to build your credit score, you need to have a credit card. And you don't need to make big purchases such as a $500 purchases. It could be such as a $5 purchase, but return the money in time so you build trust with the bank and they could lend you money for a house. And second off, you need a down payment. I prefer, from what I've learned, 20 to 25% on a house is good enough to build you equity over time and for the rent to outgrow the mortgage payment and all the utilities every month. And why real estate? Believe it or not, guys, most millionaires are made through real estate since it has many ways to build long-term wealth, such as flipping it or renting it over time. And it also opens opportunities to many other stuff like I mentioned above. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short video I made about real estate investing. Like, subscribe, share, and comment, and stay tuned for my next video, because next video is going to be very epic. So see you guys. Bye.